There is a concept in science that challenges our understanding of predictability and complexity. It is a concept that links the flapping of a butterfly's wings to the unfolding of grand events. Welcome to the butterfly effect. In mathematics and science, the butterfly effect is an amazing concept that sheds light on the interconnectedness and unpredictability of complex systems. Created within the framework of chaos theory, it suggests that seemingly insignificant events, such as the flapping of a butterfly's wings, can set off a series of events with far-reaching and dramatic consequences. Essentially, the butterfly effect emphasizes the sensitivity of chaotic systems to initial conditions. In practice, this means that small changes in the original data can lead to very different results over time. This idea challenges our intuition and highlights the limitations inherent in predicting the long-term behavior of dynamical systems. The meteorologist Edward Lorenz, the founder of chaos theory, first introduced the butterfly effect in the 1960s. He showed that even small differences in the initial values embedded in the weather forecast model can lead to wildly different weather forecasts. This discovery shook the foundations of deterministic predictability that had dominated scientific thinking until that time. In addition to the weather, the butterfly effect affects many different areas. In physics, it affects the behavior of dynamical systems such as fluid dynamics, planetary motion, and quantum mechanics. In economics, it shapes our understanding of market behavior and financial dynamics. In ecology, it allows understanding the complex relationships between species and ecosystems. The butterfly effect has even influenced pop culture and philosophy. It has become a metaphor for the interconnectedness of life, where seemingly insignificant actions affect society and determine the course of history. This concept is found in literature and cinema, as well as in discussions about free will and determinism. However, the butterfly effect does not imply chaos as a disorder, but rather emphasizes the need for a deeper understanding of the patterns and complexities that underlie it. It makes us realize that some phenomena are inherently unpredictable, not because of the limitations of our tools, but because of the nature of complex systems. In education, the butterfly effect provides an interesting starting point for studying concepts such as chaos theory, nonlinear dynamics, and complex systems. The butterfly effect encourages critical thinking, explores the limits of predictability, and helps students understand how seemingly unrelated events can lead to significant change. In conclusion, the butterfly effect reminds us that our world is a complex web of interdependencies. From the flutter of a butterfly's wings to the larger dynamics of the global environment, this concept encourages us to embrace uncertainty, look for deep patterns, and understand the amazing complexity that governs our universe. Stay curious, keep looking for connections, and remember, the flutter of a single butterfly's wings can set the world in motion.